How to get $80 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open CouponFollow. Now I can scroll down. You're going to find amazing offers and deals. $20 off, $30 off, free shipping, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, and select the items that you want to order and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, try out other offers as well, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Lastly, make sure to go through this website as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. Well, this way you can easily get up to $80 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.